Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to withdraw from Binance to Payoneer. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can just head over to any browser that you have and then head over to boomchange.com. In here, you can just choose which currency or crypto you want to send it into. You can use USDT right here, or BTC, or ETH. For me, I'll just use USDT right here, and in here I'll just put in here 10 USDT. Now in here you can just see that we have PayPal already selected, so click on this one and then let's select Payoneer on this list. Click on this Payoneer right here, and as you can see, when you have this, you have 10 USDT, you will get 9.41 on Payoneer. Click on this exchange right here. Once you have done that, this is what it looks like. So just enter in here your Payoneer email. So for example, let's put in here your Payoneer email. So this is not my actual Payoneer emails, but you can just head over and then enter yours. You can also enter in here your contact email number and then click on continue right here. And then just make sure to also meet the required amount. For example, let's put in here 100, and this is what it looked like. So let's put in here 100 again and click on exchange and enter your desired email. So in here, click on continue, and then this is what it looks like. Click on this I agree, click on confirm right here. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see a new page wherein you will be prompted for this order number. So just deposit, it will confirm, and it will exchange, and it will send to you this actual transaction. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try my best to answer. Thanks.